Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for clicking back on. Don't forget to click that little notification bell on so you're notified of my uploads. Some people don't get notified of my uploads, so make sure that's turned on so you know when your girl's new video is out. And if you're new here, welcome. How you doing, girl? What's good? Don't forget to subscribe on your way out and all that, because you know that'd be awkward if you don't. So if you haven't already looked at your local Boots or Superdrug, L'Oreal have come out with some new products this month. So they come out with their new Infallible foundation shaping sticks slash highlight and contouring things. And they've also come out with some new primer shots. So they've got all new primers for like all skin types, and they've also come out with some highlighters as well, so you know I had to get on that. If you want to see how the primer, the shaping sticks and the highlighters look, then just keep watching. Okay, so we're up close and personal. You can see the Tesco bags under my eyes. And if you're wondering why I keep talking like this today, it's because I've been watching a shit ton of Jackie Aina. Jagger. So I'm just going to be using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Mattifying Primer. So this is obviously meant to help control oil and keep your foundation on nice and smooth and longer. All those things that primers are meant to do. And I have combination to oily skin, so this is why I picked up this one. Okay, so on the website it says that the Infallible Mattifying Primer is meant to absorb excess oil for an instantly matte complexion. Makeup lasts as long as you without the unwanted shine. And then, like I said, for the other primer shots, you've got the anti-redness primer, which is green to neutralise red tones and blemishes to create a smooth, even skin tone. You've got the anti-fatigue, which is apricot colour to fight dullness and fatigue, restore the complexion to a naturally energised, radiant look. And the luminising is an ultra fine pearl pigment to enhance complexion for a super luminous glowing look. And pore refining blurs pores, hides skin imperfections, mattifies skin for a flawless, even looking finish. So if you've got the same skin type as me, oily to combination, and you got big pores like me too, you could go for the mattifying primer or the pore refining primer as well. So I'm just going to pump a little bit of this into my hands. Ah! Is that meant to be like that? That don't look good. What the hell? Oh, it's like a weird sun cream. It literally feels like sun cream. It smells like sun cream. The hell? It feels kind of oily, which has confused me. So I've got the mattifying primer on this side of my face, and we will go in now with the Infallible Stick Sculpt. Oh, it's all in, okay, that's in French. Infallible Longwear Shaping Stick. So for my foundation shade, I picked up the shade 210 Cappuccino. I'm not gonna lie, the shade range in these shaping sticks is kind of appalling. Like, I'm pretty sure there was one up from this shade and then it was this one. But look at that jump. Right, so we're gonna go with the only shade that I thought was closest to my skin tone. I feel like it's gonna be really orange, but I wasn't about to buy extra shaping sticks to mix them. So this is 210 Cappuccino. And like I said, there's only about 1 or 2 shades up from this one in deep skin tones. So good luck finding yours. That's all I'm gonna say. Gonna go, oh, that looks quite dark. Okay, my face is lighter than my neck. I don't know, I'm gonna have to blend that down my neck, aren't I? It's really creamy though, so if you've got dry skin, I'm guessing it's gonna be really nice. And it's gonna blend out quite nicely, but you can see kind of how much darker that is. And the one down, which I believe was like 210 honey something, would have literally been a highlight shade. Like, I don't think it would match me. So this is where we are. Everyone's still not coming out with all the shades. That I don't understand. Like, black people don't exist now? Like, hi, we here. I don't understand it. There's 12 shades and only 3 tan to dark ones. So that's fab. Introducing new Infallible Shaping Stick Foundation for a long wear customizable base that lasts up to 24 hours. So it's a 24-hour wear foundation apparently. And it says, our first base shaping stick has an ultra creamy, no compromise formula, seamlessly melts into skin for buildable coverage without the mask effect. Round shaped bullet makeup applicator allows you for precise, even coverage, while the matte formula creates a flawless shine free base. Create infinite looks using the ultra versatile shaping stick. Uses foundation, a concealer, auto highlight and contour. So you're basically meant to be able to do it all. For best results, use our primer shots. That is what I've done, L'Oreal. I am way ahead of you. So I'm just gonna blend out this little bit with a buffing brush. Yeah, so it's too dark for me, but it can be made workable, I think. Really easy to blend out. Feels really creamy, but almost on the oily side to me. Like I'm just a bit of a like weirdo when it comes to things feeling greasy or creamy. I'm like, I know there's probably oil in that. And I did watch one other review on these after I'd bought them anyway, but I'd watched Anushka's review on them and she said something about they've apparently got jojoba oil in them. So if it has got oil but it's meant to be matte, like that makes no sense to me. Sorry, but I don't know how you can have a product that does both. I don't get it. Like, it looks good. The coverage is really nice. It's covered up like any pigmentation I had. So I'm gonna go in with the side with the primer shot. I look so orange right now. At least it's a golden looking one, but for the free shade you gave us, like, thanks. Really thoughtful. Appreciate it. Obviously, as a foundation, I'm finding even with the mattifying primer on this side, it's very glowy. Very flawless, but very glowy. I'm gonna go in with the shade 240 Espresso. I think this might be too dark, but okay. Oh god, that looks black on me. Ooh! Good thing is they don't dry quickly, so you have time to like blend them. Oh god. Oh god, I've committed now. Thoroughly, genuinely scared. 110 Face Shape Brush by Zoe Eva to try and blend this out. Oh, okay, just dark. Oh shit. Blends out really easy, but I think it's just a bit too dark. I look really gaunt. I think the Cappuccino foundation stick is too creamy for it to go on top and it went almost blotchy. So I'd like to see how this works over the top of like a matte foundation. But like, I know this one's meant to be a matte foundation, but I mean like a proper matte foundation, like Fenty or some shit. I'll just finish up with the last infallible shaping stick that I have. Gold is Cold. You can see there, it looks quite subtle. So I'm just gonna be putting that on the top. I haven't got any concealer on either. I probably should have done that first. That's actually quite nice. Face to face, I really can't even see it on my cheekbones. But when the light hits, that's when I see it. So that's quite nice if you like quite a natural highlight. Just gonna finish up the rest of my makeup and then we'll try the powder metallic foil highlighters. So I've just finished off my face. So I've got a little bit of PS setting powder all over, a little bit of extra bronzer just to kind of blend it into my foundation. So I used the Hoola bronzer. And then I've got the cream highlight, which is Gold is Cold on both sides now. So on my lips, I've got the MAC Lip Tensity Lip Pencil in Toast and Butter. And then I've got the L'Oreal Matte Lip Paint in 209 Nude on Fleek. So it's just this one. I look quite glowy, even though I've put powder pretty much everywhere. So I wouldn't say this is a matte finish, but it is really flawless. But it does cover everything. I would say it's a full coverage. Just because it isn't really matte looking, I'm not sure if it would be a 24-hour wear. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Crushed Foil Metallic Highlighter Illuminator. So it just looks like this. So glittery, and this one's in the shade 20 Gilded Glow. So it's more of a gold with loads of like specks of glitter. There is the other one that they've got. I think there's maybe one more that's a little bit whiter, but this is the Rose Quartz one, which is more of a rose gold colour. But I'm going to use that in maybe another tutorial or video. The silver specks are kind of disappearing though as I'm putting it in. So, moment of truth. Oh god, that is so glittery. So glittery, what the hell? But yeah, it is really, really nice highlighter. I wouldn't really say it's for the nose either. I've literally just got chunks of glitter now, like everywhere. Just so you can see up close, you can see literally like specks of glitter everywhere. This is what it looks like up close. So I've got texture here anyway, but that doesn't stop me from wearing highlighter. Thank you, hun. I've managed to get away with the Cappuccino shade today. I look just a tiny bit bronzy. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and don't forget to like and comment and subscribe if you liked it and want to see more. Let me know some kind of video suggestions you'd like to see down below as well, and I'll get that done for you. So I'll see you in my next one. Bye.